Today, our topic for making the poster is communal harmony. Okay, communal harmony means सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द between all the religions. जितने भी हमारे यहाँ धर्म है उनके बीच में क्या है, उनके बीच में हम एक पोस्टर प्रिपेयर करेंगे. ओके, so write the question first. Design a poster. Design a poster on communal harmony. On communal harmony. So, as it is the topic of communal harmony, so first of all, we will write the title of the poster at the center, communal harmony. Communal harmony. Communal harmony. It is our topic. So the title should be like that, communal harmony. The need of the hour. Okay, it is the need of the time. ये समय की मांग है, समय की आवश्यकता है. That there should be a communal harmony among all the religions. Okay, avoid distinction of caste. Creed and gender. Okay, many people give a speech on religion. They say that our religion is best. Okay, so join our religion. Okay, and they just praise their religion in writing also. So always curb, C-U-R-B, curb means control. Curb is used to control the horse. इसे लगाम कहते हैं. Okay, so curb means लगाम. लगाम does the work of controlling the horse. So we write here curb. Religious writings and speeches. Curb religious writing and speeches. जो भी वो राइटिंग देते हैं या स्पीच देते हैं, you must have listened, heard on TV channels, especially in Kashmir, where Mufti Mehbooba is a religious Muslim leader. She always favors Pakistan. She always favors all the Muslims. Okay, so the religious writing speeches. So it means it is our duty to respect all the religions, either it is Hindu, Muslim, or Sikh or Christian. So respect. Respect each other religion. हमें एक दूसरे के धर्म का सम्मान करना है. Respect each other religion. No. Religion. No. Religion teaches hatred. It means कोई धर्म हमें नफरत करना नहीं सिखाता. ओके. Love and live together with हम लिखेंगे इसके नीचे love and live together with. Now I am going to give you a very new word here, brethren. BRETHREN. Love and live together with brethren. भाईचारा. भाईचारा. Okay, so love and live together with brethren. We can write some slogans for India. India, a secular country. Live in peace. शांति से रहिए. ओके. Hindus. It is a very good line here which I am going to give you. Hindus Muslims Sikhs Christian. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians. What are they? क्या है ये? Hindus means all the Hindu people. Muslim means all the Muslim people. In the same way, all the Sikh people and all the Christian people. Who are they? कौन है? और what are they? क्या है ये? The children of same God. Okay, all are I am writing above. ऊपर लिख रहा हूं उसको. All are children. थोड़ा स्टाइल से चलता हूं. All are children of same God. सब एक ही भगवान की संतान हैं, बच्चे हैं. ओके. रिमेंबर, always remember what you will remember. One nation. One nation and one people. ओके, एक राष्ट्र एक लोग। इट मीन्स हमारा एक देश है, वी हैव वन कंट्री। ओके, वी आर वन, हम भी एक है। ओके, यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ। एकता में शक्ति है। Now you can draw the sign of different religions. For Hindus, you can write Om. For Muslim, मुस्लिम में क्या बनता है? The sign of Muslim, चांद तारा। Yes, we can draw चांद and तारा। Okay, और सिख एक ओमकार, और सिख एक ओमकार, like that। एक ओमकार। And for the Christian, okay, this is the end of our poster on communal harmony। Done? It is clear to all of you बच्चों? 12th A।
Yes, sir.
It is a very important topic बच्चों। Clear to you? Now
Yes,
I am calling।
Yes, sir.
Yes, 12th A। तन्वी त्यागी present।
Yes, sir.
तरुणिका present।
Yes, sir.
स्नेहा शर्मा, इतिक्षा नहीं, रही नहीं। तनु प्रेजेंट है या लेफ्ट गई? ज्योति अधाना?
Yes,
ज्योति
sir.
अधाना, ओके बेटा। नाउ दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू और नॉट? इन दिस
Yes, sir.
way you can design the poster on communal harmony। okay, now we come to our next topic। it is also very important। okay, and it is also important for the society। okay, so write the question। prepare a poster advising the people prepare a poster advising the people not to take alcohol. Prepare a poster advising the people not to take alcohol. Okay? Actually, you see in the society that many people are fond of having wine, and as you see the movie, whenever any scene come like that, you can read some words that it is smoking, that smoking is injurious to health, drinking is also injurious to health. Okay, so as you write say no to polythene bags, in the same way you can write say no to alcohol. Say no to alcohol. Okay, say it now. अभी से कहो हम नहीं लेंगे. Say it now. Say it now. You can see the people who becomes addicted to the wine, their whole life gets ruined. उनका पूरा जीवन बर्बाद हो जाता है. Not only their life but the family life also gets ruined. पूरा परिवार बर्बाद हो जाता है. Addiction leads to एडिक्शन व्यक्ति को कहां लेकर जाता है. ओके, नाउ लिसन. Ruined health. First of all, that person loses his health. उसकी हेल्थ बर्बाद हो जाती है. Spoils his health. Second, ruined family life. फैमिली बर्बाद हो जाती है. ओके, ruined self. That person also gets spoiled, gets ruined. वो पर्सन भी खुद बर्बाद हो जाता है. At last, painful death, because they are used to have wine in their life in daily. So at last they see their painful death. अंत में उनकी मौत बहुत दर्दनाक होती है. ओके, now to come out of it, तो पहले तो थोड़ा सा और इसमें आगे चलते हैं. यहां डाल देते हैं, से नो टू ऑल ड्रग्स। बहुत से लोग ड्रग्स लेते हैं। ओके, नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू सम लाइन्स हियर, सम slogans. Drugs may thrill. Drugs may thrill, but they only kill. It is right. Drugs may thrill, but they only kill. It has been seen that after taking wine, the man becomes powerful. Okay, but actually, that man does not become powerful. He becomes weak. If anyone pushes him, then that man falls down. वो नीचे गिर जाता है. He only shouts. Okay, but he does not have any strength in his body. बॉडी में कोई ताकत नहीं होती है. I am giving you a good line also here. It may be good, I think. Easy to get in. Easy to get in. Okay, लत पड़नी आसान होती है. Okay, it is easy to become an addict, but impossible to come out of it. Okay, impossible to get out. Easy to get in, impossible to get out. लत पड़ना आसान है, पर उससे बाहर निकलना इम्पॉसिबल. Addiction brings endless destruction. Addiction brings endless destruction. अगर आप एडिक्ट हो गए किसी चीज के, इट ब्रिंग्स ओनली कंप्लीट destruction. It just brings, it just spoils the whole life. पूरा जीवन बर्बाद हो जाता है. Join de-addiction camp. Many people start such type of camp. I शराब छुड़वाएं. Okay. There are many institutions